Students, see here, exercise 12.2, page number 275. Page number 275, exercise 12.2, fifth second bit. Write down. Students, whenever three terms are given, we tried with the a plus b whole square model. We tried with a minus b whole square model. And if the two fails, then the next model is, we have another identity. Just I will remind you that also we applied. So according to that identity, we have to factorize. And this is very, very important model. And even in higher classes, in many chapters, you have to use this concept. So factorizing a polynomial having three terms. So how to factorize? See here. We can compare with this formula. This is the formula. Arrange this according to this formula and directly write the answer. See here. Arrange this like this, directly apply the formula. Very, very important. Write 9 as sum of two terms. If you add those two, we have to get 9. But if you multiply, we have to get 18. If you multiply, you have to get 18. Adding, we have to get 9. See here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 2 also 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. These are the options. And if there is a minus symbol, we have to try with minus numbers also. But fortunately, all are plus means plus only we try. 9 you write in the form of two numbers. We can write it as 8 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 5 plus 4. But if you multiply them, we have to get 18. Multiply them, we have to get 18. Like that, we have to decide the numbers. Very, very important. So, adding 9, multiply 18. See here. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 into 3 is 18. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 into 3 is 18. So we can take 6 and 3. 6 plus 3. Next, 6 into 3. See here. Two numbers you have to choose. Tell me two numbers. If we add, we have to get 9. If we add, we have to get 9. If we multiply, we have to get 18. Adding, we have to get 9. Multiplying, we have to get 18. Like that, you have to choose the numbers. So, what are the numbers? 6, 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 into 3, 18. 6 plus 3 is 9x. 6 into 3, 18. This is the identity. Use that identity. So, what is the answer? X plus A. A means 6. Anyway, you can take. You can take A is equal to 3 also. B is equal to 6. Any order you can take. A is equal to 6. X plus A. X plus 6. X plus B. B is 3. Like this we have to find. Over? Write down the answer. I will explain another method or same problem without using this formula. This is easy, but another method also I will explain, because in most of the problems we use that other method only. We don't use this formula. You should practice it. So, or same problem, another method, don't get confused. Problem is over. Same problem, another method, but almost the same concept only. So, you write down. Second method, you write down. Second method. Second method. Second method. Second method. See here. First one, tell two numbers whose sum is 9. Sum is 9, product is 18. Same like previous only, but we don't write that formula. And we don't use the formula, but concept is same. Tell two numbers, sum should be 9, 9x. Product should be 18. So, what are the numbers? 6 and 3. Because x is there, 6x plus 3x. 6x plus 3x is 9x. 6 into 3 is 18. 6 into 3 is 18. And don't consider x into x. X into x, this x square is already there. So, just 6x plus 3x is 9x. Like that you have to split. Even you can write it as 7x plus 2x also. 7x plus 2x is 9x. But 7 into 2 is not 18. That you have to think. So, 9 is written as 6x plus 3x. Because 6 plus 3 is 9. 6x plus 3x is 9x only. And again 6 into 3, 18. 18 you write same. 18 you write same. First two x common. First two terms only. X common. First two terms. Another x remains. Another x remains. X is common, 6 remains. Next to 3, maximum we have to take common. What we can take common? 3 we can take common. 3. Because 3 is here. 18 is 3 into 6. 18 is 3 into 6. 3 common means 6 remains, like that. Or you write one step like this. 6 into 3 like that also you can write. So 3 common, x remains. 18 is 3 into 6. 3 common, 6 remains. 3 into 6 is 18. Now x plus 6 common. X plus 6 common. X plus 6 common. What is the next factor? X plus 6 common means x remains. Plus x plus 6 common means 3 remains. Over. Same problem I explained in 2 methods. But in higher classes and even later on, whenever you get this type of factors, we apply this method only. We don't apply that formula method. But I will explain both. So, write down. This is the second method, write down, and after this you write the next third bit. formula method and general method. Both I will explain. Anyone you can do. The second method will be general practice. We do the second method. Formula method we don't apply. But here I will explain both. This is the formula. Now, see again minus formula, different formulas I am not giving. So this same problem I will use this formula only. So instead of minus I will write plus, and minus I will write inside. See here. Plus into minus is minus only. So same plus you can easy to compare. Like that I prepared plus here, and this minus I took inside. Plus into minus, minus only. Now students, same compare with this. Tell two numbers. You have to tell two numbers. If we add them, we have to get minus 10. If we add, tell me two numbers, if we add them, we have to get minus 10. If you multiply them, we have to get 21. You have to tell the numbers. Addition, minus 10. Multiplication, 21. Minus 10 means, suppose if minus 8 minus 2, minus 8 plus minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 8 into minus 2 is minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16, not 21. Wrong. Don't take these numbers. Tell me the numbers. Sum is minus 10, product is 21. Like that you have to choose. Very, very important model. See students, minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Minus 7 into minus 3 is minus into minus. Plus 7 into 3, 21. 7 3 is 21. P square plus minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3. First is minus 7 plus minus 3. Plus means you write some bracket so that it is minus 3. We can't write plus minus simultaneously. So you keep a bracket. PQ students P square students, this is only P. It is not Q, it is P. Now, not PQ, or it should be only P. If it is P square, this should be P. If it is Q square, this should be Q. That's all. Now, so 21 is written as minus 7 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 7 3 is a 21. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. Minus 7 plus minus 3 is minus 10. So the answer is x plus a. X plus a is minus 7. x plus b. X plus b is minus 3. Answer is x plus a into x plus b. X plus a is minus 7. Next is x plus b is minus 3. So plus into minus is minus only. Answer x minus 7 plus into minus minus x minus 3. That's all. X minus 7 into x minus 3. Write down. Second method is important, so you should practice the second method, because in other majority of the problems we use this method only, and even it is very important for 9th, 10th, every chapter, most of the chapters you should know how to factorize. See here. Tell two numbers whose sum is minus 10. Sum is minus 10. Same. 7 and 3. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. So minus 10p is written as, see here, don't write minus 7p minus 3p. Minus 7p minus 3p is minus 10p. We can write minus 8 minus 2 also. We can write minus 6p minus 4p also. Minus 6p minus 4p is minus 10p. But why I am not writing like this? Because if you multiply minus into minus plus 6 into 4 is 24, not 21. If you multiply, we have to get 21. Like that you have to choose the numbers. See here, minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Minus into minus plus 7 into 3, 21. 7 into 3, 21. Like that we have to choose. So this 21 is same. This should be written as two numbers. That's all. First one is same. Last one is same. This is written as two numbers. Be careful. If you add them, we have to get this. If you multiply, we have to get this. Including sign. Minus into minus plus 7 3 is 21. First two terms, P common. P common in the first two terms. First two terms. P common. Another P remains. P common 7 remains. P common, another P remains. P common 7 remains. Minus 3 common we can take. Because you have to get same here. Compulsory we will get same. So by looking at it we will get idea. If we take 3 common, then we will get same P. So minus 3 common means only P remains. We won't get minus P here because minus is already taken common. No, minus is taken outside, 3 outside. Only P remains. Minus common means the sign will change because plus is minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. 1 minus I took common. 1 minus I took common. Another minus remains. And 21 is 3 sevens are. 3 sevens are 21. 3 common means 7 remains. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 21 can be written as 3 into 7. 3 I took outside, so 7 remains. Why I am getting this plus as minus? Because if you write plus, minus into plus will become minus. So plus means we have to get plus only. Minus into minus plus 3 7 that plus 21. So that means whenever we are taking minus common, signs will change. Minus 3p will, this will become plus, this plus will become minus. because minus into minus is plus 21. Now p minus 7 is common. P minus 7 is common. Another fact, p minus 7 common, p minus 3. That's all. This is a very important model, that's why I am teaching, going very slow, so that even the students who are studying 10th class, intermediate, first year, second year, they are struggling, they don't know how to factorize. So definitely they are facing problem in many chapters. So that's why I am going very slow. Fourth bit. You try, students, you try formula method and this method, both the methods you try. Formula method let us try, after that this general method. Then there is a minus, because formula is, actually we can prepare the minus formula also, but why to remember all many formulas? So same formula I will use, so I will change minus as plus and I will write minus inside, and this also I will write minus 32 like this. Same exactly according to the formula. This minus I changed it as plus, plus into minus is minus only, and plus into minus is minus only. Now students, you tell me two numbers. Sum should be minus 7. If you add, we have to get minus 7. If you multiply, we have to get minus 32. So you have to decide the numbers. What? Adding minus 4. Multiply minus 32. Very carefully you have to tell. Adding minus 4. Multiply minus 32. Adding minus 4. Multiplying minus 32. Then if you decide the numbers, their answer is x plus the first number, x plus second number. See here. Students, what are the numbers? Sum is minus 4, into is minus 32. Did you decide the numbers? See, you may be getting some confusion, so I will explain. Plus means minus 4, into means minus 32. See, minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Minus 8 plus 4. You know the additions. This is minus, this is plus. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Minus sign is greater, so minus. Minus into plus, minus 8 4s are 32. Minus into plus, minus 8 4s are 32. Like this. First time 1 minus 1 plus we choose in first time. But concept is simple. If you add, get this. If you multiply, you have to get this. Minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. 8 into 4 is 32. minus into plus, minus 8 into 4, 32. Exactly formula. What is the answer? X plus A. A is minus 8. X plus B. B is 4. X plus A into X plus B. X plus A is minus 8. X plus B is 4. So the answer is X minus 8 into X plus 4. Answer. Students, write down and same problem. Let us apply general method, not formulas. Concept is same, but we don't write this formula. We do some procedure. See here. Write minus 4 as sum of two numbers. If we add the two numbers, we have to get minus 4, and if the numbers you choose such that if we add, we have to get minus 4. If you multiply, we have to get minus 32. Same numbers. What are the numbers? Minus 8x plus 4x. Because x is there, no? Minus 8x plus 4x is how much? Minus, and this is plus, means we have to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8x minus 4x is 4x. Which sign is greater? H number is greater, 8 is greater. So minus number is greater. So minus 4x. Minus 8x plus 4x is minus 4x. Minus 32, same. First one same, third one same. Middle one only split into two numbers. First two x common. Another x remains, minus 8 remains. X common, another x remains, x is common means 8 remains. Same we will get here. Compulsory. In all problems it is like that only. So take 4 common. X remains. (32) is 4 8s are. 4 8s are 32. 4 common means 8 remains. 4 common, x minus 32 is 4 8s are. 4 8s are 32. So 4 common means 8. So what is the answer? X minus 8 into x plus 4. X minus 8 common. X minus 8 common, x remains. X minus 8 common, 4 remains. So answer is x minus 8 into x plus 4. So students, these model problems are completed, but just for practice, so I will give 1 or 2 examples extra so that you should get perfection. the last problems of this model. So 2 examples I will explain so that this is over, and as I said, this is very, very important and you have to remember for even for higher class also. Now, tell me 2 numbers whose sum is -4. Into is 21. Adding -4, multiplying -21. Adding -4 into means -21. Like that you have to decide the numbers. See here, 7 and 3. -7 plus 3. Opposite sign means subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. Which is bigger number? 7 bigger number, -7. You multiply -7 into 3, minus into plus, -7 into 3, 21. So m square minus 7m plus 3m. -4. Last term written same. First term written same. Only this we are splitting. -7 plus 3 is -4. Why we are choosing only these numbers? Because if you multiply, -7 into 3 is -21. -7 into 3 is -21. If we add, we have to get this. Adding, we have to get this -4. Multiplying, we have to get -21. What are the numbers? 7 and 3. -7 plus 3. -7 plus 3. M common in the first two. Another m remains. 7 remains. M is taken common. 3 common. M remains. 21 is 3 7 21. 3 7 21. 3 7 21. 3 common means m remains. 21 is 3 into 7. 3 common means 7 remains. M minus 7 common. M minus 7 common. This is taken common. What is left? M plus. This is taken common. What is left? 3. See. Don't write. I will explain this also. Then you copy both and let us stop today's class. So here you can do as it is, but we can make simplify. First, let us make the number simple. So take 4 common, 4 outside. To make the numbers little simple. 4 common means x square. 20 means 4 into 5. So 5 remains. 96 is 4 into 24. So 24. 96. 96 is 4 into 24. 4 common, x square. 20 is 4 into 5. 4 outside, 5 remains. 96 is 4 into 24. 4 in 24. Now, you don't look at 4. 4 will be 4 only. Only this you look at. Directly also you can start, but to make this little simple, I took it common. Now you decide the numbers. Students, tell me 2 numbers whose sum is 5. Product is 24. Sum is 5. Product is 24. Sum is 5. Product is 24. 8 minus 3, how much? 8 minus 3, 5. 8 into minus 3 plus into minus minus 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 3, 24. 8 minus 3, 5. So, 4 only you write. X square, 5 is written as 8 minus 3. 8x minus 3x. 5 is written as 8x minus 3x is 5x. First one same, last one same. common in the first two? First two x common. Another x remains. 8 remains. X common. Another x remains. 8 remains. Minus 3 common. X remains. Minus common means plus. Minus 3 common. X remains. Minus is taken common. 24 is 3 8s. 3 8s. Minus common means minus 3 common means x remains. Minus common means only plus. 24 is 3 into 8. 3 into 8 20. So 4 is same. X plus 8 common. 4 is same. X plus 8 common. What is left? X. X plus 8 common. What is left? Minus 3. So very important model. And factorizing. That model is over. And these problems are not repeated in the remaining exercises. So we have simple exercises. Third and fourth are very simple exercises. In the total chapter, only this is the difficult model. So you practice it many times. All the problems you practice, examples also you practice. And tomorrow we will go to the other model.